Well, we have a little issue here. We have 2 females in with pork chop. Not good. Where did y'all break through the fence this time? Huh? You found it? Alright, I'm gonna unplug it. You guys are in the wrong pen, in case you haven't noticed. It's never fun fixing the pig fence, especially in the dark. Oh dear. Let's just hope we don't have any babies coming. Yeah, you gotta come over. Okay, y'all. I don't think vlogging is a possibility. Are you here? Are you about here? Okay, he's got bread. Alright, here we go. Is it this one right here? Come on, girl. Come on. Over here. Come on. No, come over here. Over here. Oh my goodness. Why is she gonna make it difficult? See it. Oh, here, get that line. Oh, there. Okay. Oh no! The battery on the flashlight went dead. Oh! Get her moving. Okay. I can't do this in the dark. Alright, Marissa's getting ready to start on her hide. This is a deer hide from last summer, or last fall rather. It's been frozen, so she thawed it out, and now she's gonna start her tanning process. She's gotta flesh it first. Ew.
Like yummy.
She gave it to the dog, a snack for the dog, and he's torn up his tarp. Or did the wind do that? You naughty doggy. Besides this one, she has 2 others in the freezer. Do you have a deer head in one of them?
I think I still have a deer head.
Deer head? You gonna brain tan this one?
Yeah.
Alright, she's gonna brain tan it. Uh-oh. Sliding down. Won't stay, will it? Sure is a pretty day today.
Want to make some stew, Mommy? There's a lot of meat right here.
Yuck. No thanks. It's looking good. He's just patiently waiting for his next bite. You know? Here, Founder. Founder's patiently waiting for her next bit. About how long does it take you to flesh the hide?
I never timed it. I'll never get all the stuff off. All the meat and the fat.
Yeah. Can you do that?
Do what?
Fleshing it?
It is satisfying. Just look how pretty it looks.
Yeah. Oh, the bullet hole right there. She wants another bite. Blue's waiting for another snack. They're like, that's pretty good stuff. Huh?
He was trying to get me to get him some.
A big puppy. It's a big puppy. Anybody want him? He's available. This one's not available. She's got to stay with us. Just see.
I'm just seeing if there are ticks on it. Have you felt their fur? It's like really weird feeling. It's kind of like water resistant.
Huh. Soft.
Okay, that's done.
Alright, Marissa's putting it in a bucket with lye and water in it. And why do you do that?
It will dissolve the mucus in the skin. And it is burning my arm.
I told you it was going to burn. So this is going to help the hair come off easier, right?
Yeah, all the hair will like fall off.
And how long does it have to soak in there?
About 2, 3, 4 days. Just depends.
Oh, okay, a few days then.
This is a lot easier than doing the ashes.
Yeah, you're used to making lye out of ashes, huh? Too full. That's what lurks in our kitchen, folks. Hey, Sunbeam. How are you, girl? Yeah. Where's the right tool when you need it? Sadly, this is all the chickens we have left. We have 8. So notice, you can see the pigs have got the wire down again. They've been pushing on the fence, so I'll give them grain when we're out here fixing that, which will be a little bit later. But we should start butchering the pigs pretty soon. See how nasty and muddy it gets? And as soon as they stick their head in it, it's going to look the same way. You hungry? Time to eat, huh? Yeah. I think fall has finally arrived in Oklahoma, which we've been waiting for. The high today I think is 57 and it dropped to 41 last night, so that was nice. Our coldest night so far. It's going to drop to 33 tonight, so that's nice. We like the cooler weather. Yesterday it rained so hard, and it did that for most of the day and most of the night. So we got a lot of rain. So I'm hoping I don't get any ticks crawling on me while I'm out here. I wanted to talk about this next part of the vlog. It didn't turn out the way I had hoped. I've filmed these last few segments over a period of about 4 weeks, 3 or 4 weeks. And I was going to do a whole video and just entitle it "What My Boys Do Without Wi-Fi," because they have been without Wi-Fi for 2 months now. And it's been really interesting seeing their minds work and the things that they do without it. They don't have the distractions either. The reason they're not using Wi-Fi right now is we can't get Wi-Fi here. The only way we can get it is with Dish Network. With the AT&T bundle you can get Wi-Fi. Also we can get it with like satellite Wi-Fi, which I've heard good and bad things about it. So I didn't want to really try that, and we haven't had cable in 20 years, so we don't want cable either. So the only other thing to do was unlimited data. So we did unlimited data a couple months ago with the hotspot with 15 gigabytes on each of the phones. And the first month I let the boys use it to play their online video games, and they used all of it in like 3 hours. So I was like, well, this isn't going to work because now I don't have any data to upload my videos or download the music I need for them. So I said, this isn't going to work. So I just kind of cut them off altogether on the Wi-Fi. So the first 2 weeks, it was complete boredom because they're used to being entertained. So I thought it would be fun to see what they come up with. I don't want to encourage them and tell them go do this or this. I just want to see what they would do. So the first thing was this puppet show of sorts. Where did your eye go?
I don't know.
Poor bear.
Yeah.
You don't talk much, do you, bear?
Nope.
They've also read. If there's one thing they have done more than anything is read books. All 3 of them like to read, and they have read several books in this time, so that's good. I didn't get Aiden reading. I don't know why that didn't turn out, and I was trying to be discreet because I didn't want them to see me so much, because when they did, they quit doing what they were doing, and I just thought this would be a fun video to make, so, but it didn't turn out like I wanted. Another thing they've done is just hang out. They just hang out outside and talk and just carry on. They've been riding their bikes more. They go bike riding with Madeline, or they just ride together. They go through the woods, they go down the roads. So they've enjoyed that. And they're getting more exercise. They've also been jumping on the trampoline more. And I know now, without a doubt, that if any intruder comes to our house, or anything is a threat, these boys will take care of it. Okay, they got their soft air guns. His is jammed. He's got to fix it. They are doing this for the good of the family.
Shooting wasps.
Shooting wasps.
There. One,
Right there.
Ready? Ready? Go.
Ooh, 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 they hit him. They gonna come after you?
Uh-huh.
Oh no! They're all flying around. Here,
Oh, we got him.
come, miss. They're after me now.
Oh, so close.
Oh, I got one.
Ooh, got another.
I'm out.
So have y'all been stung since you've been doing this?
Nope. I haven't.
One day I went out and found Nate using the sander, and he was sanding some boards. Some of them were sticks too, I think. There was a few of them, but he was sanding them so they could have sword fights. So they've been doing that a lot. This last one is the most time-consuming and labor-intensive out of all of them, and I thought it turned out really cool. So take a look at this. This is by far the most labor-intensive thing that they did. Let's see, Connor, he made this trail. I'm not supposed to tell you where it's at or where it leads to, but he said I could film it. And he has been working hard on this trail, and I wanted to take you the length of it because it's really cool. It is a beautiful morning. It's cool and breezy and sunny. It feels so good outside. Whoops, I about tripped. The trail keeps going. Even got grass growing on it now. He's done a good job. He took Marissa's machete and came through whacking out trees and stuff. Whoa! I nearly just ran into that spider. Ew. Where's the spider web start? Okay, moving on. I don't like spiders. Thought I saw something crawling again. I think this whole trail is about 100-foot, 7,500-foot elevation going down. You can see the entrance here. He's got these two lions. This is pretty cool. He has taken rocks and has lined this trail here. This is really cool. You should do this all over the place. And over here, he made him a little seat. You can see it. Whoa. Right here. It's the throne, he said. So that's his little seat. Back to the trail. All the way down here, he's brought these rocks. He has put them along the trail. It keeps going. Wow, looks really good. All right, we've come to the end, and here he's got some more lions. Right here. Isn't that cool? I think that's pretty neat. Okay, going back up. You probably don't want to go with me all the way back up, so I'll cut it here, but that's just something else they've done without their Wi-Fi. Well, I hope you enjoyed those little clips. It was kind of fun making it. If they come up with anything else, I'm going to have to stick it in there sometime. But I just want to say thanks for watching, and stay tuned to the next few videos, because I'm going to be doing the process with Marissa tanning her hide. I'm not sure how many more videos that'll be. Probably 2 or 3. It's a long process of tanning a hide, so I'll show little clips of that in each vlog. Alright, this is what else the boys have been making out of clay. Let's see, Connor made this little lightsaber and this little wizard. And then Nate made all these figures here. This is from Lord of the Rings. And the eye. And a scary looking fellow. A dinosaur. Oh, what is it? Oh, well, it looks like a dinosaur. Dragon? No. Here's his Harry Potter Deathly Hollows. Little figures here. Star Wars. Well, there's the little flyer, the flyer things.
Yeah, TIE fighter.
And then here's what Ada made. He's got a lightsaber. Dude.
Person.
Lightsaber
His name is
dude.
Bob.
His name is Bob. Okay.
Bob the Jedi.
Some more of their creativities. Is Pirates of the Caribbean here? Maybe. With this little ship here. And a little glove. What's this for?
Infinity Gauntlet.
With little apples.
All the fans out there recognize every piece.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes?
Can I see that, tomatoes?
Oh, but they're apples. Okay, they're tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Each one's got a tiny little piece of green on it.
All right. Let the creativity continue.